How is sushi made? Brought to you by Learning Launcher. First, sushi begins with selecting fresh fish from trusted sources. Next, chefs choose the right cuts of fish for sashimi or rolls. Then rice is rinsed many times until the water runs clear. After rinsing, the rice is soaked to help it absorb water evenly. Once soaked, the rice is cooked in a rice cooker for even texture. While the rice cooks, chefs prepare rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. This mixture is heated gently until the sugar and salt dissolve. When the rice is cooked, it is transferred to a wooden tub. The vinegar mixture is poured over the rice while it is still hot. Wooden paddles are used to fold the vinegar into the rice. Fanning the rice while mixing cools it quickly and adds shine. Rice is covered with a damp cloth to keep it moist. Meanwhile, fish is sliced into thin, even pieces for topping. Sharp knives are essential to make clean cuts through fish. Seaweed sheets called nori are prepared for rolling. Vegetables like cucumber, avocado, and carrot are sliced thin. Crab sticks, shrimp, and egg omelet are often prepared as fillings. Wasabi is placed in small amounts to add heat. Soy sauce is ready for dipping once the sushi is done. Bamboo rolling mats are wrapped with plastic to stay clean. Rice is spread evenly over a sheet of nori using wet hands. Hands are kept wet to stop rice from sticking. Toppings and fillings are arranged carefully along the center. The mat is rolled forward to form a tight sushi roll. Gentle pressure is used to keep the roll even. The roll is cut into 6 or 8 equal pieces using a wet knife. Each cut is made in one motion to keep the shape intact. Nigiri sushi is made by shaping small mounds of rice by hand. A thin slice of fish is draped over the rice mound. Sometimes a tiny dab of wasabi is placed between fish and rice. Fish and rice are pressed gently so they hold together. Some nigiri pieces are tied with a thin strip of seaweed. Tamaki sushi is made by rolling nori into a cone shape. Rice and fillings are placed inside the cone for easy eating. Sushi rice must always be slightly warm when used. Fish is always kept cold until the moment of assembly. Hygiene is crucial to prevent any risk of contamination. Chefs wear gloves or sanitize their hands often. Cutting boards are cleaned each time a new ingredient is used. Freshness of every ingredient is checked before assembly. Presentation is considered as important as taste. Sushi is often arranged with symmetry and color balance. Pickled ginger is added as a palate cleanser. Wasabi may be served separately or placed inside the sushi. Soy sauce is served in small dishes for dipping. Different sushi types require different techniques. Maki rolls are wrapped in nori and sliced into pieces. Uomaki rolls are rolled inside out with rice on the outside. Futomaki rolls are large with multiple fillings inside. Hozomaki rolls are thin with just one filling inside. Nigiri relies on precision hand shaping instead of rolling. Karashi sushi is made by scattering fish and vegetables over rice. Sashimi is sliced fish, served without rice at all. Knife skills are practiced for years to master sushi slicing. Rice seasoning must be balanced so it is not too sour. Fish is sliced against the grain for tenderness. Rolls are often topped with sauces or fish roe. Sesame seeds may be sprinkled for extra flavor. Avocado or cucumber may be placed outside on certain rolls. Sushi can also be lightly torched for a smoky flavor. Some rolls are deep fried for a crispy texture. Vegetarian sushi is made with tofu or pickled vegetables. Egg omelet called tamago is sweet and layered for sushi. Special soy paper can replace nori for a different look. Chefs chill knives to keep fish cuts smooth. Every slice is checked for bones before using fish. Rice is shaped gently so it is not crushed. Too much wasabi can overpower the flavors. Too much soy sauce can make sushi soggy. Chefs sometimes brush soy sauce lightly on the fish. Each sushi piece is designed to be eaten in one bite. Bite size helps balance flavors perfectly. Traditional sushi focuses on simplicity and freshness. Modern sushi can include sauces and creative fillings. Sushi platters may feature flowers or leaves for decoration. Special rolls may include spicy mayonnaise or eel sauce. Every roll must be cut evenly to look professional. Rolling mats must be cleaned between each roll. Some chefs use gloves while others use bare, clean hands. Rice texture is key to perfect sushi. Overcooked rice becomes sticky and heavy. Undercooked rice tastes hard and ruins the texture. Sushi vinegar mixture enhances the taste of fish. Chilled fish should be sliced just before serving. Chefs learn to balance the fish to rice ratio by practice. Thin rolls need less rice and fewer fillings. Thicker rolls use more fillings and need tighter rolling. Roll edges are sealed with a touch of water. Some sushi is served with a sprinkle of lemon juice. Unagi or eel is cooked and glazed before placing on rice. Sushi platters are often served with radish or lettuce garnish. Sushi knives must be sharpened after each session. Serving plates are chosen to match the style of sushi. Sushi is best eaten immediately after preparation. Chefs train for years to master all aspects of sushi making. Every piece of sushi tells a story of precision and care. It takes practice and patience and skill to make sushi. Thanks for watching Learning Launcher.